Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel, and today's weather is ayan, first day ng snow 2020. Sabi nila bukas pa sana mag-i-snow, pero ayan, na-advance. And it's really cold. I think it's 29 degrees. And look at my camera. I'm shaking now. I'm here outside. Ayan po guys. Hindi po masyadong malakas. Kasi yung malakas na snow is from up north. Meron pong snowstorm where you can see it's windy. Ayan po, malakas po yung hangin. Diyos ko Lord! Oh my God. Mahirap pong magbiyahe ngayon. Buti na lang walang pasok. Ayan guys. And then, yung grass, nagiging white na po siya. Oh my God, it's really cold. Ay! Nanginginig. And doon po, yun, dito, yan po. Yan po yun sa Route 9. Ay, naku, Diyos ko, it's so windy. Yung hangin na lamig. My God. Yan lang po guys. Pinapakita ko lang po sa inyo. Yung nag-i-snow. Actually, it's a wet snow. Okay guys, see you later. Guys, time check. It's 5:24 in the evening. In the afternoon or evening? In the evening. Maliwanag na. Ay, maliwanag siya. Ayan. Oh, nag-start mag-snow what time? It's like 11 o'clock? 11 o'clock in the morning. So, I think this is 2 inches now. Right? 2 inches. Tignan mo yung puno. Ayan po guys. Still snowing. So, we will see later. Again. Ayan po yung daanan. Kailangan nang mag-plow. Plow pala. Okay guys, see you later. Good morning mga kapoknat. Rise and shine. Tapos na po ang snow. Ayan po ang kinalabasan. Not too bad. Siguro sa up north, yun yung pinaka mataas ang snow. Dito kasi is like 2 inches lang kagabi. So, nag-plow na sila kaninang umaga. Siguro madaling araw. Actually, kagabi meron nang naglilinis. So, ayan, guys. Ayan. Yung kagabi sobrang liwanag dahil sa snow. Anyway, guys. Ito po yung first snow of the year. And I hope nag-enjoy kayo. Please don't forget to subscribe, like the button, comment below, click the notification, and share my video. See you later guys. Bye!